$726, ladies and gentlemen. This is a 21 MA pause, then it's going to shoot up to our 200 right around our dollar marker, and then we'll bank our profits at that point. We have a C-type retracement to the upside right here.
Horizontal line on 223 trigger. Order filled.
$726, ladies and gentlemen. So let's go over what happened. H pattern, wide state, H pattern. H pattern, wide state, H pattern. V pattern, wide state, oscillator agreement. Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, May 9th, 2024, and we're going down with the market. We expect about a $1 drop. Inverted H, lightning to the downside. Inverted H, inverted H. Inverted H, 555, inverted H. There's a high probability this will take me out with my stop and then continue to drop farther.
Order filled.
$440, ladies and gentlemen.
Filled.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Thursday, May 9th, 2024, and we are going to go down with the market. We're looking for about a 75 cents to a $1 drop. Inverted H, inverted H, inverted H, inverted H, inverted H, 555, inverted H. After this retrace and it drops, we're going to split the throttles with our stop. Guaranteed to walk away with money on this one. Let's leapfrog.
Order filled.
And we're gone.
Order filled.
Total profits, $1,660, ladies and gentlemen.